Ladies and gentlemen, my name's Amir, welcome to the video. Today is all about the VW Golf R. What a car. But today we are focusing on the sound system. So let's hand over to Luke and see what we can do.
Right, so here we are. We've got the outer skin now, so nice and bit of a different. So the outer skin's done. This little middle skin here is done. We're going to get a little bit on these bits as well. Just use some scraps left over from the job. We've got 30 sheets in this, so we've basically done full door coverage, and then we've also got a bit in the boot for where the sub is. We've got our crossover in here that is tacked onto, should I say, the factory plug. So this speaker literally just disconnects like so. We can unplug that, we can bring the factory one back in, and then it can go back to stock if the customer wants to go back to stock when, say, he sells it or whatever. What else? Oh yeah, the tweeters. So they are in the A-pillar. Again, this is all reversible, so it's just a click and out it comes, and then the factory one then goes straight back in. So again, if the customer wants anything to go back to stock, it is easily done and nothing has been cut. Right, so then I'll get the A-pillars in, and then we'll move into the boot and get the soundproofing in the boot for the sub to sit in, and no vibrations. Right, so that's the sound deadening and also the sub in. Now, you'll probably have noticed that the lead is quite long. Now, that's because obviously in these VWs, there's two levels to the floor. You've got one which is all the way down, and then you've also got the one which is probably about this much higher. Now, that's if you use a spare wheel. This customer didn't have a spare wheel with him. I don't know if he's got one at home, but he's got the use of that if he has got one. It's only going to be a space saver. And it's literally, if he ever wants this removed, it's as simple as, I'll show you now. So we've got 1, 2, 3, voila, out. Then if he wants, then he can bring his flooring up like so, bring his sub back in, and then just like 1, 2, 3, in position. Easy peasy.
Okay, so Luke has just finished with the install on this Golf R. It sounds incredible, but we're going to jump in at the end of the video and just have a quick listen so you guys can experience the change as well. But just to start off, what we're going to go over is a good overview of the system in here and what the client opted to add on. Now, starting at the front of the vehicle, we have the Audison Prima front end upgrade. A really popular sound system upgrade that we do on vehicles like this. It is a big improvement over what is standard. You've got improved clarity, improved definition, and just overall a nicer sound and front end coming from the vehicle. Now, as well as the Audison APK 165Ps that we're using in the front, which is a two-way component set, we've also added in the water guards around the speakers. Now, that is a really important part of the install of any sound system install we do, especially on these VW Golfs, to protect the speaker from any moisture or water within that door. Now, the other thing that we've added on, and that's in combination with the sub as well, is the introduction of sound deadening. So if you've ever seen any of our videos before, you'll know how important that is to any sound system. In one, reducing rattles and vibrations, but also if you're doing a full cut, helps reduce road noise in the vehicle as well. Just gives it a lot more of a nice experience to actually drive and use the system in. Now, this client opted to go for 20 sheets, but of course you can add more than that. But the 20 gives you full coverage in the door in this car, and then again a bit more in the rear where that sub is. And that takes me to the sub. So the client wanted to add a lot more depth into the system. Again, if you've ever listened to one, you'll know there is barely any bass, no depth in the car. And so adding in what we've done, which is the 10-inch active sub from Audison, makes a huge improvement. It sits in the boot really, really nicely, but we've also made it reversible as well. So if you need to take it out, put your shopping in there, you can do if you've got bigger loads. But because it's a downward firing sub, you can actually just put your shopping right on top of it. Absolutely not a problem. So what we're gonna do is gonna jump inside the car now, have a quick listen to the system, see how it sounds, and then we will wrap it up there.
So now we're inside the Golf, we're going to have a quick listen to the system so you can really understand and appreciate how good it sounds in here. Of course, it's difficult getting the sound across on phone or laptop, however you listen to it. So we always recommend that you put a good set of headphones in or a good home hi-fi system to actually listen and to appreciate how good it sounds. But of course, it's never going to be as good as the real thing on your phone. So remember, we've got the Prima front speakers in the front, and then we've got the Audison's 10-inch active sub in the rear. So we're going to play a couple songs and just see how she sounds.
Ya no quiero nada, ya no quiero esta relación, yeah. Ni romperte el corazón, yeah, yeah. Refrescame la mente para recordarte, bebé. Baby, el que se enamora pierde. Let me know if we'll be okay, 'cause I can't stand another moment of you playing with my mind. I'm so tired of never knowing, so spell it out.
That is truly special. I hope it comes across on video of how good it sounds. And compared to how it came into us, it is incredible. I'm sure our client is going to absolutely love it. It is so nice. And of course, you still have full control over the system. So with the sub in the back, what we have is a little small sub controller. This client opted to go for it on the side of the steering column. It's a really nice location for it. It just allows you to turn it up and down and give you full control over the sub. Sometimes you don't want it playing full all the time, so you can control it and turn it down whenever you want. But hope that came across how amazing it sounds in here. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Now, if you do like content like this, feel free to subscribe to the channel as well. We have so many videos live with similar systems to this, but more progressive systems with amplifiers and everything like that. So I hope you have enjoyed today's video, and if you'd like to see more content like this with bigger systems, smaller systems, whatever it is, feel free to subscribe to the channel to watch future content just like this one on lovely cars like this. But if you have enjoyed, like the video as well, and I'll see you in the next one. Thank you for watching.